Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Plantronics CS540 is probably one of the most versatile and reliable wireless headsets on the market, designed to enhance your productivity and communication experience whether you're in a busy office or working from home, offering unparalleled freedom of movement and crystal-clear audio quality that ensures every conversation is heard loud and clear, making it an indispensable tool for professionals seeking seamless call management and superior sound. Number 5. Plantronics CS540 Wireless DECT Headset. Introducing the Plantronics CS540, a wireless DECT headset designed for your office. It connects seamlessly to your desk phone, offering unparalleled freedom and clarity. Experience superior audio quality with its advanced noise-canceling microphone. It effectively filters out background distractions, ensuring your conversations are always clear and professional. Enjoy all-day comfort with its lightweight, convertible design. Choose from 3 distinct wearing styles to perfectly match your preference and needs. Boost your productivity with an impressive roaming range of up to 400 feet. Move freely around your workspace while staying connected to your calls. With up to 7 hours of talk time on a single charge, this headset keeps up with your busiest days. Stay connected and productive without interruption. Effortlessly connect to your desk phone using the included cable. It's the ideal audio companion for office and desk-centric professionals. What we like. Experience crystal clear calls with its advanced noise-canceling microphone. This headset offers unparalleled comfort with 3 distinct wearing styles. If you need to roam freely around your office while staying connected, its impressive 400-foot range is ideal for you. What people say. These are lightweight and comfortable. Since I often wear mine for 10 to 12 hours a day, this is very important. The sound quality is excellent. It really is like talking directly on a wired headset. The range is very good. We can walk all over a 3,000 square foot space without issues. Number 4. Plantronics CS540 Wireless Headset. Introducing the Plantronics CS540, a versatile wireless headset designed for your office. Enjoy the freedom to move around your workspace without being tied to your desk. With its advanced noise-canceling microphone, it effectively filters out background distractions. This ensures your conversations are always clear and professional, no matter the environment. Experience unparalleled mobility with an impressive roaming range of up to 400 feet. You can take calls and stay productive while moving throughout your office. This headset provides up to 7 hours of talk time on a single charge, keeping you connected throughout your workday. Its lightweight, convertible design offers 3 comfortable wearing styles to suit your preference. Effortlessly connect to your desk phone with the included cable. It's the ideal audio companion for office workers who rely on their desk phones for communication. Built for the demands of the modern office, this headset comes with a 2-year global warranty. It's a dependable choice for enhanced productivity and clear communication. What we like. Enjoy superior audio clarity thanks to the noise-canceling microphone. Its lightweight, convertible design ensures a comfortable fit for all-day use. If you're looking for a headset that supports long conversations without interruption, its extended talk time is a significant advantage. What people say. The sound quality is top tier, but the real star is the microphone. The background noise cancellation is so effective that my customers often think I've hung up on them when I'm not speaking. It charges incredibly fast and easily lasts through my entire shift. The range is great. Sound is great. Battery life is great. Wears comfortably. Sturdy item and easy to use. Number 3. Plantronics CS540 Wireless Headset System, renewed. Introducing the Plantronics CS540, a versatile wireless headset system. This renewed model offers exceptional audio quality and comfort for your daily calls. Its convertible design allows you to wear it in the way that suits you best. Enjoy the freedom of movement without compromising on call clarity. This headset is designed for seamless compatibility with Cisco phones. Experience effortless integration and reliable performance with your existing communication system. This is a renewed product, ensuring you receive a high-quality headset at a great value. It has been carefully inspected and restored to full working order. Please note that a headset lifter kit and an electronic hook switch cord are sold separately. These accessories can enhance your user experience further. What we like. This renewed system offers a cost-effective solution for your office communication needs. It's specifically designed for seamless integration with Cisco phones. If you are seeking a budget-friendly, compatible headset for your desk phone, this is a great option to consider. What people say. I bought it for a job where I had to run around a pharmacy and talk to multiple lines, and it still sounded good 30-ish feet away from the phone. The headband stays nice and taut on my head, not playing dodgeball level snug, but it's basically dodgeball light in a retail pharmacy. It doesn't hurt my ears and it helps me to process sound better. Number 2. Plantronics CS540 Convertible Wireless Headset. Discover the Plantronics CS540, a versatile wireless headset designed for exceptional audio clarity. Experience superior sound quality like never before. Enjoy crystal clear conversations with its wideband audio. This headset ensures every word is heard with precision and detail. It features advanced technology that effectively eliminates Wi-Fi interference. Focus on your calls without any distracting background noise. Its convertible design offers multiple wearing styles for personalized comfort. Adapt it to your preference throughout the day. Experience the freedom of wireless communication. Move around your workspace without being tethered to your desk. Trust Plantronics for reliable and high-performance communication solutions. Elevate your daily calls with this innovative headset. What we like. Benefit from exceptional wideband audio quality for natural-sounding conversations. It features technology that effectively eliminates Wi-Fi interference. If you prioritize clear, uninterrupted audio and work in an environment with potential Wi-Fi interference, this headset is an excellent choice. What people say. Setup is easy, but you must have a desk phone to plug into. It's perfect for my job as I wasn't strapped to my desk all day. Number 1. Plantronics CS540 Replacement Battery. Ensure your headset is always ready with this genuine replacement battery. It's designed to keep you connected without interruption. Enjoy up to 9 hours of talk time on a single charge. This battery provides the power you need for extended conversations. This battery is the perfect fit for your CS540 wireless headset. It's a direct replacement for your original power source. Experience reliable performance with this 3.7V, 140 mAh Li polymer battery. It's built to last and deliver consistent power. This is a retail packaged, genuine replacement battery. It's the ideal choice to restore your headset's full functionality. What we like. Keep your headset powered up for longer with this spare battery. It provides an extended talk time, ensuring you're always available. If you frequently use your headset for extended periods and want to avoid downtime, purchasing this replacement battery is a smart move. What people say. The new battery was quick and easy to install, and it holds a charge just as good as when the headset was new and out of the box. Clear, crisp words, and no echo. All due to finding the right replacement battery here. This battery, while small in size, has performed flawlessly since I installed it. It lasts through the entire day without having to charge it. I am on the phone several hours a day, so it's great to be able to use my headset all day. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.